Here, therefore, are my requests to you, my people of Kenya. Hello? I appeal to businesses to disable or avoid electronic tax registers, make nil returns on VAT, and instead give discounts to customers. This way, we shall recover the VAT Ruto is taking illegally through the fuel. I appeal to employers to ignore the punitive deductions of employees' salaries that will only line the pockets of Ruto's strategically placed cronies. Dear Kenyans, we know the men and women who visit this unjust law on us. Punish the traitors. Let us name, shame, follow, and isolate the traitors at every turn. Let us picket their public and private offices and their homes until they join the call to have the Finance Act repealed.